What do we have here? You're not like the others. A seemingly worthy foe.
Annja looked swiftly around, but the voice came from all directions.
You're not the first Tomb Raider to find us. I devoured them all. I savored every bite. I made them suffer. And you'll be no exception.
Annja ducked behind Cleopatra's sarcophagus as the monster crocodile stalked from the maze and entered the royal colonnade.
I can smell your fear, human. You will die this day, and I can see that you know it.
Suddenly, the Egyptian god ran with frightening speed, his maw opening wide. Garin clenched his fists as he looked at the screen.
Drone 8, there!
They saw a grainy image of Annja crouching behind the sarcophagus.
What is she doing? Why the hell did she circle back?
Garin blanched as the terrifying crocodile charged her.
Security, with me, now! Move! Move!
He ran toward the steps, and the armed men followed with guns drawn. Roux looked back at the monitor. Every single one of the drone cameras flickered. Then the entire feed went dark, and Annja faded from view. Roux covered his face with both hands.
No.
At the sight of Joan of Arc's sword, the giant crocodile stopped his charge, his massive tail whipping back and forth.
You're Sobek, I presume?
Of course I am. And you're a sorcerer, it seems. The little sword and the tiny dagger present an interesting challenge, but not for long. In the end, you'll be nothing but a juicy morsel.
Sobek moved closer. Annja slowed her breathing and cleared her panicked mind. She had only one shot. The crocodile leaped on Cleopatra's gold sarcophagus. His hot, fetid breath blasted Annja. She swiftly hurled Cleopatra's poison-tipped dagger straight into his gaping maw. Sobek's body spasmed. He fell from the sarcophagus, and he jerked and writhed around the chamber as though he had been speared. His tail hit the sarcophagus. The lid crashed to the floor. His seizures flipped him onto his back, and his legs churned helplessly in the air. Annja didn't want him to damage any more priceless artifacts. She moved in from the side. The sword flashed as it separated the beast's head from its body. As Annja watched in astonishment, both the body and the head began to dissolve into sand that swirled in dust devils around the chamber. Stone slabs began to slide out of the walls of the entrance to the chamber. She sent the sword away and ran full out for the maze. As Annja ran, stone doors slid shut behind her, and the ground rumbled beneath her feet. She barely rounded the final corner before the maze sealed itself shut. She ran headlong into Garin, and both of them staggered. His armed guard halted behind them.
Annja, are you okay?
I will be.
Where is it?
Dead.
Good. Everybody out!
Garin grabbed her hand, and they ran the rest of the way.